Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா how to extract entity from invoice PDF using Gemini. Okay. First we have to install two library like Popular and PDF to image converter. These two library we need to install. I have already installed. You just run this command. It will install. Okay. After that we have to create two folder path. Okay. One is for input and another one is for output. These two folder path, what we are going to do is we are going to convert the PDF into images. I will show you the quickly show you the data. Okay, so here in my Google OneDrive I have created the folder for input. Okay, this is my invoice I took from Google. So this is the PDF data, sample invoice PDF. Now we are going to convert this PDF into images and we are going to save that data in output folder. Okay, so for that we have to run this command, run this lines of code. So here I am using the PDF to image converter. In this library I am importing the convert from path. So here I am just giving the path, file path. In file path here you can see this is files. In this file I am just passing my input path. Okay, this will work for multiple files also, so that's why I'm putting loop here, so you can run multiple files also in the folder, and it will if you run this command it will save the data in output path. So here I am giving output path and name is same PDF file name with along with page number. So each page we are going to save as a image. Yeah, it is run. Let's quickly check. Yeah, here you can see before we didn't save any data. Here this is now saved. Let me open this image. Here you can see this is a .png. I'm just giving the same file name along with the page number, that is start with 0, right? So now we are going to build the model to extract the entities using Gemini model. So for accessing the Gemini model we have to install this library. Yeah, let me quickly take the Google AI API key. AI Studio. Google AI Studio. Yeah. So here only we have to create a API key. Let me open. Okay, here click the get API key. Here I have already created. If you want you can create it. I posted video how to do that. You can watch that videos. I will mention that video link in the description. Okay, so if I run this cell it will ask the API key. Here I have to give my API key, Gemini API key. Yeah, it is run. Once it is run we have to import the model, and here I am running using PIL image. I am reading the image from my output path. So here you can see this is in output path, right? My data output path. So I'm just giving my output. Here we have already declared the path, so I'm just accessing the variable path along with the file image. Okay, sample image invoice. Let me run this. So here you can see this is the image file that we converted from PDF to image. Now we have to define the model. We are going to use the Gemini Pro Vision model, so we have to define it. I have saved that model in model variable, and here I am passing my variable and asking like what is the price of web design in the invoice image. So here you can see the web design is price is $85. Let's see model what going to return. So here you can see the price of web design is $85. So it's exactly same as in the images. Let me ask quickly invoice number, order number and invoice date. Okay. what is the invoice number, order number, and invoice date. Okay, what is the invoice number, order number, and invoice in the image? Okay, let's see what model is going to return. The invoice number is INV 337 okay. So here you can see model is returning exactly as it is, and order number is 12345. So the order number is 12345, and you can see the date also. Invoice date is January 25, 2016. That also same. This is amazing, right? Just extracting data from PDF images. This is so awesome. Just try it out and let me know if you face any issues. Thank you. Bye bye.